Hello viewers, welcome to Varun Krishna job channel. Today again we are going to see some interesting fresher job opportunity in a reputed organization. Let's see everything in detail in this video. Before that, I'm just keep saying the same thing. I'm just repeating again and again in my each video. So Varun Krishna job channel always will do post genuine tech job updates. So which is going to post for both freshers and experienced professionals. So please do subscribe. In case if you feel you are okay, then share the same to your nearby job seekers, friends and colleagues. So one who looking for the job as a fresher or experienced professional, I'm whatever the jobs I'm just posting, which is very suitable for them. So that's why I'm just requesting you to share the same to all the job seekers, respectively, either they are freshers or experienced professional. So I'm just posting all the video, both of them only. I'm just concentrating freshers as well as the experienced. Yes, let's see the job description right away. Let's go and watch the video. This is our disclaimer card. I'm just keep saying the same thing in each video. I'm not the hiring person. I'm just sharing the job information to the job seekers. In case if anyone of the employer or anyone asks you to pay the money to get a job, please do not pay. It might be the fake one for sure. Also, I'm not the responsible for this. Okay, let's dive into this video. Yes viewers, the company name is called Toppan Merrill, which is located in Tamil Nadu. So we are going to talk only in Tamil Nadu opening positions only. So which is located in multiple locations, but in this video we are going to talk only in Tamil Nadu opening positions. Yes, let's see everything in detail in this video one by one. Which is the location they are just hiring, what is the qualification they are just expecting, what about the shifts and everything in detail in this video. Yes, let's see right away. It is the company name called Toppan Merrill, just hiring the position name called Quality Assurance Associate and Analyst. So in general, in case we are talking in general, then the position is called QA position. So one who looking for the job in the QA, also if you are ready to work in Chennai or Coimbatore, then it's a right opportunity for you. Please have a look and go through the JD. I'm just keep saying each my video. Just go through the JD before you apply. The skills and whatever the criteria they have mentioned in the JD and other responsibilities, if you are suitable, if those suitable for you, in that case you can surely apply that position. Yes, it's a completely walk-in drive, so keep it in mind, which is not any virtual drive. So they are not going to conduct any online interview. It's a walk-in drive. Straight away you can walk to the particular location, you can apply that position. So let me tell you everything in detail in this video. The experience they are just looking for freshers. Designation again quality assurance analyst and associate. Education they are just looking for only the any bachelor's degree. So who completed the, even though they are just looking for the arts and science graduates as well. So BCA, BSc, MCA, MSc. So just common for all. Who done without any arrear your graduation, then you are eligible for this, apply this position. Just again I'm just repeating, which is the walk-in drive. So do not wait for anything, straight away you can go. Let me tell you what about the venue and when is going to happen this walk-in drive. Let me tell you one by one. Yes, the work location is Chennai. So the walk-in drive is going to happen 17th and 18th of Jan, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Please be available in case if you are interested for this position, and just go to this place and apply on or before. Not on or before, you just go to the 17th, the 18th. Okay, only one time only the candidate is allowed to attend the interview. Either it is 17th or 18th. Please go to the particular place and apply. So my request is please go before the 10 a.m. So because a lot of people are already just before you, a lot of people are ready to wait in that place. So that I'm just requesting go for before 10 a.m. so that you have some procedures, right? You need to do some, you need to fill the forms and you need to wait for a long time. So in case if you are going later for 10 a.m. it should be very trouble for you. Why? Because a lot of people already applied for this position, they are just waiting before you. That's why I'm just requesting. So Coimbatore location is 19th Jan 2024 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Let me tell you the address. I just told you as of now I'm just sharing you the work location and date of interview, but I'm just going to share you the address for this position. So the before that, this is the shift, rotational shift, and week off is rotational week off. They are just offering for you once you are shortlisted for this interview. Yes, the location is which is the title for Coimbatore Limited. So please have a look. That Belangor Security card says Coimbatore building. So which is the location, which is the office has been located in this place. You need to go here only then to attend this interview. I am talking about the Coimbatore location. What about the Chennai location? Chennai location also we have Olympia Tech Park Phase 3. So Sitco Industrial Estate Gindi, which is located in Gindi. Please apply without wasting your time. Again, I am just repeating, which is the walk-in drive. Please use this opportunity. One who looking for the job, one who you have done your graduation 2023, still you are not getting the job, still you are seeking for a new job, then this is the right opportunity. Please use this opportunity and apply. In case if you are having shortlisted, please let me know. I'm ready to convey the same to other job seekers as well. Why? Because we have the 2 days, 17th and 18th in Chennai and 19th in Coimbatore. So try to grab this opportunity. So once you have done your all the holidays, so we are having a lot of holidays the next week, right? So once you have done all your holidays, be prepared and try to attend the interview. I hope you can able to crack the interview. All the best. Yes, we were. Thank you very much watching this video. I hope it would be very useful for you as a fresher. So it would be very useful video. I hope you would be also feel the same thing, I guess. So in case if you feel which is not relevant to you, again I'm just saying the same thing. Please share the same to your nearby colleagues, friends, or job seekers who are just having the friend circle network in your LinkedIn or any other. When you are going for the interview, that time you just get a relationship for them. So wherever you are getting the network, please share them as well. So in case if you're not okay about this criteria, about this job position, you just share the same to them. If they watch this video, at least they would get benefited by watching this video. Yes, not but least, Varun Krishna job channel always do post genuine tech job updates, which is applicable for both freshers and experienced. If you are okay, then please don't forget to subscribe. Obviously, it's going to give me a lot of confidence to post upcoming job notification in this channel. Also, it just give me a lot of boost. Okay, it's a very good opportunity for me to have a chat with you guys as a fresh job seekers. I'm ready to give you my suggestions. I'm ready to okay one-to-one communication as well if you are interested. Yes, we will. Thank you so much. One more time, let me connect with you upcoming new job notification. Until then, signing off. Bye.